Oh my god! I'm so excited! It's spelled excited. EKSOYTID. Excited. Hi guys! I'm going to do boxing today. Awesome! Itong aking ka-unboxing this time is Sis Mia. I just wanna introduce her a little bit. Actually, Sis Mia is meron na kaming noon pa nung bago pa lang ako sa YouTube last 2 years ago. Parang nasabi ko na, I felt like nasabi ko na to on my last video. But anyways, I really appreciate pag halimbawa napapansin kayo ng mga tao na you're just nobody para sa kanila, tapos napapansin ka nila na to do something like that and this and that and okay. Sinabihan ko siya na gawin namin tong swap na to, and she also agreed to do this one with me. And I think na-unbox niya na yung kanya, pero I was so late kasi nga, diba, yung sa kapatid ko, I have to watch sure ako sa kanya. Ayun. Okay. Salamat kasi you've been so nice to me. Yung mga nagko-comment sa akin, all positive feedbacks. And I'm so happy. Ang ganda. Oh my God! Oh, ito na naman yung reaction ko. Hindi ko pa nakita. So, nakita niyo ba? Oh my God! I'm so amazed with the pink tissue paper. Panic attack. I can see a yellow something inside. I might have a cardiac arrest now. Oh my God, seriously? Oh my God, it's yellow. I don't want to look at it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh, it's a pillow? Yes. Oh, wait, I will cover it. So, something soft. Sabi niya talaga sa akin. Sa pillow, so cute! Ay na, ano ba yun? Sabi niya sa akin, magugustuhan ko. Naluho. Naubos yung energy ko sa umpisa pa lang. Ba't mo inuna ang yellow? Oh, thank you! It's yellow! Ang cute! As in, ito lang yung na-part yung nakita ko. Nag-hyperventilate ako. Ayan! Nakita nyo? Aray ko. Meron tayong nabasa. May basa. Hala, nabasa. Nah! It's not my fault. It's all like that. And what's left is your friend Mia. I will crack the code then. See? Wala siya. Basa siya dito. Tapos may natira lang na parts dito. Oh, I know this is a sweet letter. So, thank you. Bakit siya nabasa? Hala, nabasa. Diba? Hindi na siya nahulog. Nabasa na. Oh my God! Siguro ito. Oh my God! Ha! Kapaw! As in, ba't siya basa? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Sorry, time person. Meron ba to? Hindi ko maalala. Top favorite skincare product dahil matagal kang wala sa Pilipinas. Try mo to. Seriously? Tada! Ito nga yung nabasa. Ito siya yung basa. Oo, ito siya yung basa. Oh my God, nakita ko to. Oh my, marami pa pala. Goodbye, cellophane. Oh my, okay, sorry. Oh my God, this is too much. This is too many. This is too much. This is too much. Oh my God. Kita ko to sa May favorites mo. And sabi ko, I wanna try that one. I wanna try that one. Ooh, I wanna try that one. Ooh, I wanna try that one. I gave me this Pure Derm Skin Solutions Argan Oil Makeup Remover Cleaning Towelettes. Kaya, nakita ko to sa kanyang May favorites. I will put her May favorites link below. Napanood ko yun kagabi. Kagabi ko lang napanood yun actually. Thank you! Kailangan ko to talaga. As in, wala akong ginagamit. Ang ginagamit ko yung baby wipes lang, yung sa puwet ng bata. I never ever tried something na makeup wipes. Makeup wipes. May makeup blocks. God! Sabi niya maganda daw to. Kasi meron siyang vitamin E para mag-restore ng hydration and softness sa face. And this is ideal for all skin types. Ubus ang energy ko. So much! Marami pa nandito din ito sa ano niya. Thank you! I wanna try this. It's in the shade beige. I am in this shade beige. Wow! I will use this one tomorrow. Miracle. Oh, you saw this also. Oh my god, eye white products. Aqua Moisturizer Whitening Vita. Gusto niya to. Favorite niya to lahat. Oh my god. We don't have Watsons anywhere here. So, kahit anong Watsons product, I really want to try. This is a Renewal and Antioxidant Moisturizing Facial Mask by Watsons. Thank you so much! Ito yung nabasa. Not expecting that. Sobrang excited ako. Something colorful. Raindrops is falling. As in, talaga nakabalot siyang ganyan. Anda! Tumula yung sipon ko. Naalala ko, nung dito ka pa sa Pinas, laging colorful ang nails mo. Yes, indeed! Oh my God! Ang dami! Bonggalo ka! Tapos ito pa, memo pads para mas makulay ang pagsulat mo sa mga reminders, to-do list mo here sa Pinas. Actually, I need this sa aking work sa Riyadh. Sobrang, sobrang stress ko sa work ko sa Riyadh. I will definitely use color papers kasi na-assign ako sa PEDIA and I think it's better to use yellow colored pads. At tapos, galaw-galawin ito ng mga pasyente ko na bata. I think this is something colorful. Tapos meron pang ganito. I wanna open it. My God! As you can see on my last videos, diba iba yung color ng nails ko. Tapos ngayon, ito na lang yung color ng nails ko kasi naubusan na ako ng nail polish and I am planning to buy one pag discharge ng kapatid ko sa hospital. Nakakita lang ako ng white out. Wow, white out. Tapos may coating lang siya. Para lang may color yung nails ko. Tapos ngayon, may bago akong nail color. Hindi na ako bibili. Aha! Uy, my God! Meron akong bagong nail polish. I am so... Kung alam niyo lang kung gaano ko ka-addict to smell ito sa ano. My God! Na-overwhelm ako. Sorry. I will change my nail color mamaya agad. Promise. Violet. The pink! I want pink. Ooh, red. I need more red in my life. Metallic green. Blue. Thank you. My God! Meron siyang bracelets. It's all colorful. Meron siyang bracelet. Candy cane. Sana sasabihin ko. Arm candies. And I will wear the everything right now. I will wear everything. Hindi na kasya yung ano. Can I wear this too only now, please? I will wear this one the next time. I promise. I promise. Boom! Okay, something white. One of my favorite body creams kasi sobrang hydrating talaga. Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus. This is the Alchemy for Her Angel Lily body cream. That's my... Oh, the girls are around my feet. Around my chest. Ain't no holler back. I want you. This one's something in a set. Para sa evening shower mo, sis, dahil malagkit dito sa Pilipinas. Ano? Mahis ako dito, actually, pag-open. Body lotion plus yogurt. Ha! So, ito siya yung set niya. Meron siyang body lotion. Nalabas ko na siya sa cellophane kasi I will definitely use this one. LU Milk Bath Soap together. Na-amaze ako dito. Gusto ko tong may yogurt na everything forevermore. Gusto ko to. Hello? So, wait! Sweet! Ano to? Sabi ko pa sa isip ko, sweet ba to? Di ba salty to? Nathaniel's Chicha Pop Sweet. Sa Ilocos Sur lang. Sige nga. Subukan nga natin ang produkto ni Nathaniel. Ay, naku, Nathaniel. Ito sinasabi ko sa'yo, Nathaniel. Chicha Pop. What is a Chicha Pop? Wow! That tastes good! Oh my... Sweet corn! Masarap! Ayan! Oh my God! You guys, this is my expression talaga. Pag sobrang overwhelmed ako, sobrang sayo. Oh my God! Okay, something shiny. Thank you. But these, something black. Hindi ako makamove on sa chicha something. Ayun, ni Nathaniel. Dami akong niligpitin. Ay, kuko mo. Ayan, sorry. God, ang dami na naman, sis. Ay, oh my God. Dami! Okay, try. Read first before you open your mouth. Alam ko, sis, proud ka na sa skin mo. I am? Okay. I am proud of you, skin. Pero I want you to try this soap na bagong product ng dermatologist namin sa hospital. Okay then, dermatologist. This is a black bar soap, mild skin bleaching. Ooh. Definitely, I will try this on my armpits. Kasi, ito pa may kasama siya, black. I-push natin ang dramatic eye makeup. Gamit nito. This is Sansan product. I have two Sansan products now from Sis Ina and from you, Sis Mia. Thank you. This is a black eyeshadow from Sansan in the shade Black Ground. Oh my God, thank you. Thank you so much. 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 And eyeliner. Oh my God, Sansan din siya. I wanna try Sansan. Like seriously, Sansan. Oh my God, ang dami din. Huh? Meron akong dalawang sweet. Something from Alchemy. This is in sugar lace. Thank you! Hindi kasi hindi ako makamukuan dito. Can I eat this one? Oh my God, masang popcorn talaga siya. Sobrang sarap siya. Safe? Kaya ba kay Nathaniel din to? Nathaniel's Chicha Pop Barbecue. So definitely this will taste salty. I will not open this one kasi baka masira. But I will make a video pag tikim ko nito. I will make a video pag natikman ko na to, this promise. But something breakable. I am almost done. Ito siya kaya. This is first. Flower base. Talagang yes, it is. Something breakable for your makeup brushes. Yes, indeed. Thank you. Thank you. And the last one. Ang dami kong basura. Thank you. Oh my God. Tower diffuser. Ang cute. Cute ako ng cute. Hindi nyo naman nakita. God, sabi niya, lagyan ng fragrance yung bottle, which is this very, very cute Eiffel Tower glass. It's so cute. Definitely bringing this one with me. And then, ilalagay yung ganyan. Then, masisip-sip down, somewhat masisip-sip nung stem, yung scent. And then, magkakaroon ng smell. Thank you so much. Seriously, I'm so happy. I will put her unboxing link below. Nakalimutan ko yung last video ko kay Sis Ina. Hindi ako nagsabi na I will put her link sa description bar. Sobrang excitement ko. Anyways, I will put my unboxing, her unboxing of yung bagay na pinadala ko ni Sis Mia sa baba. And ilalagay ko rin also yung unang unboxing ko kay Sis Ina sa baba. Ilalagay ko din yung link ko doon. Link nila doon. And then, ayun. Pupunta na ako ngayon ng hospital kasi ang tatay ko doon sobrang galit na nai-imagine ko na yung face niya para siyang sa Taguro brother. Thank you again. Oh my God, I'm so happy. So overwhelmed. Oh my God, thank you. Thank you. Bye!